Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 5a and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom in order to find the system. Now let's tap on Reset Options, and as you can see, the option we're looking for is at the very top. So let's tap on it, and here your device will inform you that it will reset all network settings, including the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So let's simply tap on Reset Settings, confirm it with your screen lock, and here your device is also informing you, is warning you that you cannot undo this action. So just tap on Reset Settings, and as you can see, the network settings have been reset successfully. So basically that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your Google Pixel 5a. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.